Hey, this is Nipples 1314, and this is my bike check. I got Animal Edwin grips, really nice. Éclat nylon bar ends. They're really strong, stronger than I thought they would be, but they're nice. With the bars, I got they're like I don't even know what they are. They're like Fit Sky Highs or Inmans. Yeah. Fit d.l.t stem. It's really nice, except for all the rusty bolts. This one's not rusty, that's a bullet shell. And yeah, it's nice. With the headset, I got came with the bike, kinda sucks. So yeah. Oh yeah. Forgot to mention the swag stickers. I got these from d.l.t. They're really nice stickers. They look hella sick. You just look them up on Facebook, look up Swagga stickers. And on YouTube, it will show you how to put them on. Look up how to put on Swagga stickers. And yeah. With the forks, I'm running, they're either blades or shivs. Fit Sun Ringle Estate rims and hubs. With Fit FAF 2.25 tire. Fit BF3 frame. Another Swagga sticker. This one's older. That one's the newer. So yeah. I'm in my room. It's my garbage can. That's my TV. And you go down, and I got this old seat off a Walmart bike. It sucks, but it's really padded. It's all rusty down there. And yeah, yeah, I don't recommend that. The seat post, I don't even know. The cranks are Fit cranks, and that was a fart. Oh yeah. Fit cranks. Oh, that came with the bike, and those are Odyssey twisted PCs. Did not come with the bike. I sanded the cranks down and put a clear coat on them. Fit d.l.t sprocket. KMC chain. Fit bottom bracket. Same wheel in the back as the front. That's a blue zip tie. And that is a Fit FAF 1.95 tire. My room is very dirty. Yes, I know. Don't even leave any comments about that. I don't care. And that's my bike check. So, yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.